So remember how I told you I was working out a deal, right? Now, if you saw my last video, then you know that we went ahead and did a review on a really nice collaboration, right? Now, this is the second collaboration, but you guys know green's my favorite color, and I've been wanting to get the original. I've been talking about it, and I did go ahead and say I worked at a deal, and that deal finally got worked out because today we are taking a look at the Nike SB Jordan 4 Pine Green. And I finally, I'll say it again, finally got them. And oh my goodness, talk about a shoe that I have been wanting for a long time. And the real question is though, which one are you going with? The pine greens, or you're going with the navy? Well, we're about to talk about these right now. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Neff. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope that you are having a very, very blessed day. Always a great time when I get to come on here and make a video for you guys. Happy Thursday, everybody. I'm excited because we have another banger review that we're looking at today. Now, if you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the thumbnail, you already know what we're taking a look at. I went ahead and got a special pickup. Finally, after waiting and waiting, I was able to go ahead and work out a deal. Shout out to Soul Play. I'll go ahead and mention more about them in the video. But finally, we were able to go ahead and get a grill I've been wanting for a good minute. And I did not have to pay an insane amount of price because I did go ahead and do some trades, and I'm very, very happy because, as you guys know, we already went ahead and did a review over these, which is the newest collaboration for Nike SB and Jordan Brand. But the one before that, in my opinion, was better. You guys know I love green. Today we are taking a look at the Nike SB and Jordan 4 Pine Green. Now, these did go ahead and release in 2023, and in my opinion, that was sneaker of the year, and a lot of people thought so as well. Even on like big pages and big blogs, Complex, they went ahead and said that it was sneaker of the year, and prices for the sneaker was absolutely astronomical to the point where it was almost unobtainable. But when you have a lot of sneakers and you're able to go ahead and do trades, you can do some good things. So here shortly, we are going to be taking a look at the Nike SB in the Pine Green colorway. And before I do that, I just want to give you guys your kudos. I want to give you guys your shout outs because you guys do a lot for me. I appreciate the support. I appreciate all the love you show. So I want to make sure I take care of you first before anything. Let's go. All right, first and foremost, before we go ahead and take a look at the Nike SB and Jordan 4 Pine Green babies, I do want to go ahead and say thank you guys for all the love and the support that you show. Seriously, it means a lot. If you haven't already, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we are on the grind this year to 10K, and even if we surpass it, and I want you guys to go ahead and be a part of that because it means a lot to me. So if you also want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here, comment down below and let me know how you're feeling today. If you engage with the channel, I promise you, if you engage with the channel, I will not overlook that, and I will feature you like you see always wonderful people right here. But you gotta engage. If you show me love, I will show you love right back. So if you want to go ahead and get featured, just engage with the channel, and I promise you I will feature you. Now, with all of that said, I want to take a look at these because this is a sneaker I've been wanting for such a long time. The past 2 years, I've been looking at them, and I had a chance to get them, but I was like, no, just wait. And you guys know me, I'm gonna be patient. So let's go ahead and do it right now, and let's get started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go right here. So really quick, let me go ahead and give a shout out to the store Soul Play. They're a local, I guess you get vintage resale. They have a whole bunch of sneakers, and I was working out a deal with one of the guys over there, and I want to say, hey man, you know who you are. I appreciate you very, very much. Go check them out. They have a lot of really cool graphic tees, a whole bunch of cool different like sneakers that you can go ahead and look at. And this one came in, and we were talking for a good minute, and I was like, I have some things we can go ahead and work out a deal on. Like I said in the last video, remember I was saying we worked at a deal? that was who I was talking about. So I went ahead and finally got these. Let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging right here. And ooh, here we go. Right here, as you can see, the original. Now we went ahead and reviewed the Navy's last video. As you can see them playing in the back right here, but this is the original one right here. So as you can see, you have the cream box, and it does have the Jumpman logo right here and the Flight logo. Now I'm honestly really upset. I'm really upset and I'm really sad because I'm hearing that this is the last time that after the Navies that came out, after obviously these came out, this is gonna be the last time that Nike, SB, and Jordan Brand are working together. Shout out to my girl Val, because I know homie over there, she always show love and support, and I heard it from you first, and I did go ahead and do some research after that, and it is confirmed that I think most likely this is going to be the last SB. So let's go ahead and take a look at the size description right here. Now, size description does go ahead and read Air Jordan 4 Retro SB Sail White Pine Green. This is a 10.5, and this is the size 12 women's. Now, I've noticed with the SP models, because the quality on it and the craftsmanship is a little bit different, I was able to go a half size down, and it works perfect for me because they do fit a lot better than like the regular leather 4s that we get. SKU code on this, let's read DR541510 and 3. Let's go ahead and turn that so you guys can go ahead and see right there. And oh my goodness, here we go right here. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and actually, let's get a good angle so you guys can go ahead and see. And let's list off the top right now. And everything from packaging should be the same, just like the Navy joints. So as you can see right here, we do have the gray box of the part right here. Let's go ahead and put these over here. And when we go ahead and look at these, now I did go ahead and already look at these a little bit. I even laced them up too, but I did not go ahead and show you guys, so that's what I want to do. So as you can see, you get the tissue paper like your regular 4s do come in and have all the speckling over it. But when we pull these things back right now, which we'll do in 3, 2, and 1, here we go. Right there, you see them, the Air Jordan 4 SB in the pine green colorway. Oh my goodness, I finally have them, and I am so excited. And I'm glad I got these too, because the Navy ones that we did a review on just came out, so I can do a comparison for them, and I finally have the duo in the studio. So let's go ahead and actually I'm gonna show you the other one right now. I'll put this box up and then we'll take a look at it right now. Boom, here we go right here. The Nike SB and Jordan 4 pine green. And this is honestly, as of right now, currently, I you know, my all-time favorite shoe is the Gamma 11. That's my favorite Jordan of all time. But with collabs, I love the fact that they bring, you know, for example, like Nike SB, which you bring a skateboarding, and then you got Jordan, which is basketball. The fact that you bring communities together and merge is really, really cool, and I love that about collaborations. And this has got to be my favorite collaboration in a long time. Even though these came out 2 years ago, I was still on the hunt for them, and I'm finally able to get them. But the craftsmanship on this is just amazing. And yeah, these are really, really beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a look at let's take a look at the left one. We did the left for the navies. Let's go ahead and do it again. Let's run it back. Let me go ahead and put this over here. So starting with the bottom of the outsole, as you can see right here, you have a gum bottom outsole. You do have a white outsole, and then you go ahead and have a red, and then you do have that gum bottom right there, which is very, very nice. And if I'm not mistaken, I'll go ahead and do a couple comparisons here shortly, but I think this gum bottom is a little bit more brighter and vibrant than the navy ones. I will go ahead and see though. As you look up to the midsole, you have your air unit right there, which also has that, you can see that clear, there's red in there. You got that beautiful, nice, bright green, and then you also do have the suede as you go up more. You got your netting right there, and it's kind of hard to really tell because of the ring light, but this has more of like an off-white type of cream color, opposed to the navies have like a white one. But if you look closely, you'll be able to go ahead and see it. And as you see right here, you got your little wings right there. And then as we come up to the toe box, you have your nice toe box. These are very, very clean, very, very plush. As you can see, you got your knitting, you got your laces. The accents on it are green as well, all white laces that go up. You get hit with your Air Jordan, your Flight, but you see the Air Jordan logo right there in red, and at the bottom it is green. I like that because it also complements the rest of the, wherever the green is, this shoe complements, this Flight complements that as well. As we come up to the back, which I feel like is everyone's favorite detail, especially mine when it came to this collaboration, was rather than the Nike Air or the Jumpman, you do have that Nike SB right there on the booty, and that looks really nice. It's kind of hard to tell too, but right here they went with the pull tab rather than it being leather. It actually is like a very squishy material, and I love that. It's rubber, that's what it is. It's a rubber material, and it looks very, very nice. Let me just hear that. Oh yeah, very, very nice, man. Oh my goodness. As we come up to the insole right here, you have Air Jordan, and then the padding is done in that green right there, which I just love that to the core. Let's go ahead and take out the shoe tree. When we take out the shoe tree, the first thing you'll be able to notice is the insole in there, and the insole is done in red, and it does have Nike SB in that white text, and it has Air. You got your size description, and right here, which I like, you can tell that the padding on it is very, very more designed for that more cushion feel to it, which is funny because I kind of feel like after they went ahead and released this, a lot of the other fours that they're coming out with, they made the new builds based off of this. So this shoe right here did a lot for the fours in the future. I mean, like, I think the military fours got it, and I think what else? The bread fours got it. So I like to see that they've been doing that, and it's clean. It's cool to see that, like, you know, like I said, you know, the SB design team and the Jordan brand design team came together and actually, like, you know, they learned. I'm sure they, in the process of making this, they learned off of each other a lot. But here we go right here. Finally, at long last, we do have the Nike SB Jordan 4 Pine Greens in the collection. And let me know what you think about them. Here shortly right now, I'm going to go ahead and get the navy so we can compare them right now. So here we go, check it out. We got the Pine Greens in 2023 that came out, the original, and I was really waiting to grab this one because I couldn't wait to do the comparison. And then we have the 2025 navy joints right here, Nike SB. Now I have to admit, which one do you like more? I honestly, you guys already know me, I'm going with the Pine Green, but these are a nice one as well. And one of the things I've noticed too when it comes down to the colors, remember how I said, I lied, I actually said that this gum bottom right here was a little bit brighter than this, but actually this one, as you can see, it's clearly that this one's brighter than these right here. But man, what an amazing sneaker. These are amazing sneakers. I love the collaboration behind that. And like I did go ahead and say, and I'll say it again, I'm hearing, shout out to Val, I'm hearing, and based off my research, that these will actually be the last time we get the collaboration. Now, we did go ahead and get a red pair as well, but that was friends and family. It'd be so cool to see if they can release it to the public, but more likely than not, they won't. But yeah, this will be the last time, from what I'm hearing, that we'll get another collaboration. I really hope not, because I feel like Nike SB and Jordan Brand collabing really did something for the community, and I feel like not even them, but like other people who collab, other companies who collab, they can learn off of stuff like that and want to like to make their own type of different collaborations, you know. But let me know what your favorite one is, and let me know which one would you go with. It's hard for me to pick, it's very, very hard, but you guys know I gotta go with the Pine Green. But these are still very, very beautiful. So let me know what you think about them below, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before I go ahead and end off the review over the Air Jordan 4 Nike SB Pine Green, let me go ahead and give you guys a closer perspective on it. That way, if you're on the fence of still wanting to go ahead and grab these, at this point, you would have to pay resale. But if you do trades, you just gotta find people who are willing to do trades with you, and you can make it happen. Let's get a closer perspective on it right here. Oh my goodness. This was a shoe that I just couldn't believe I missed out on in 2023. Very nice. I love green. That's my color. I like to go ahead and not so much, I don't really care about standing out because I care about other people's opinions. I just like shoes that are different, and this is one of those shoes that is for sure different. I love the green, I love the hits, I love the material on it. I just think overall this was an A1 collaboration. They really did their thing, and I'm really hoping that they do not stop with the silhouettes, or excuse me, with the collaborations. But I'm hearing that Jordan Brand is trying to go ahead and ramp up the RM series. I mean, if you look and remember, there was also a pine green version that came out for the RM. So I think they're trying to do their own thing, but I really love and appreciate this collaboration a lot. It was amazing, and I hope they continue to keep on bringing it because this is nice. But do let me know what you think about the pine greens down below, guys. So this is going to conclude today's video over the Air Jordan 4 pine green Nike SB. Let me know what you guys think about it. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. Seriously, I appreciate you so much from the bottom of the heart. It means a lot. On to your reviews coming right now. And until next time, I'll catch you with the next video. A lot's coming, so stay tuned. I promise you, stay tuned. And I'll catch y'all later. Peace, guys.